Hi, welcome to Logic Roots. This video covers Monster Sock Factory, Gameplay 4, Packing Superstar. Let's get started. Best viewed horizontally and pause wherever you need to. Ready for the ultimate challenge? In Packing Superstar, you and your opponent race to completely fill warehouse orders, and clever plus-minus cards can turn a tricky order into your advantage. Give each player their own warehouse, 10 packets for each of the 9 monsters. Deal 2 plus-minus cards face up to each player and stack the rest face down in the center. Shuffle all the order cards together into one shared deck in the middle. Let's see a turn. Draw an order card, say 30. Find the matching packets in your warehouse, ship them to your shipped pile, and say the multiplication. 5 times 6 is 30. Shipped. Now it's the next player's turn. Sometimes your order doesn't quite fit what you need. That's where plus-minus cards come in. Play 1 to nudge the total up or down. 27 minus 2 is 25. 5 packets for the 5-legged monster. Now here's the clever part. Say you draw a 49. With a plus-minus 1 card, you could ship 50, 10 packets for the 5-legged monster. Or you could ship 48, 6 packets for the 8-legged monster. This player is low on 8-legged packets, so 8 times 6 is 48. Shipped. After using a plus-minus card, place it at the bottom and draw a new one. Using it is always your choice. Players keep taking turns, sometimes shipping straight away, sometimes using a plus-minus card to plan ahead. First to completely ship all 10 packets for any 6 different monsters wins and becomes a packing superstar. Now, go play with math. You've learned all 4 gameplays, from shipped all the way to packing superstar. Play them again anytime and find more free resources at logicroots.com.